How to grow pineapple using just its crown. Step 1. Gently remove the crown and place it in a bottle of water. Wait until the roots develop. Change the water once a week to avoid bacterial growth. Do not place the jar in direct sunlight. Once the roots develop, mix your soil by adding 40% compost to your garden soil. Add sand and coco peat to allow airflow and moisture in the soil. Mix the soil very well. Add a few pieces of pebbles at the bottom of your large pot. Then add the mixed soil. Make a hole, carefully place the crown with roots in the soil, and gently press down the surrounding soil to make sure the roots are fixed in the soil. You can add more soil on top if needed. Lastly, thoroughly water the soil until it comes out of the pot hole. Keep the plant in indirect light for a couple of days. After a couple of days, when the plant is settled, keep it in the sun and add water only if the soil is dry. Wait for a couple of weeks and your efforts will be fruitful.
I really hope this was helpful and let me know how it went for you. For any queries, my DMs and comments are always open. Until then, like and share.